Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to get my AI on Snapchat. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily get this new feature on Snapchat. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your App Store or your Play Store. Then you search for your Snapchat in order to update your Snapchat. So if your Snapchat is not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version so that you don't miss these new features. So now once you have updated your Snapchat on your iOS or Android, all you need to do is to go ahead and then open your Snapchat. Once you open your Snapchat, then you swipe to your right and you can see the My AI over here. Now this is so amazing. Now you can just click on the message button over here and then ask any question of your choice, and it's gonna give you the answer. And this is so amazing. So let me just enter, why does water wet glass? So you can see over here, why does water wet glass? Just send it and within a second it's gonna give you the answer. This is so amazing. And you can see over here, you can just see over here, this is a new settings, and you can just set the time for the message to disappear, and you can see after viewing, and also you can see 24 hours after viewing. So you can ask any question. Just ask any question of your choice and you can see what is a solution, and it will give you the answer within some seconds. This is so amazing. So let me show you some simple settings that you need to go through. Once you click on this My AI, you can see over here, you can see you can click on My AI and then change it to your own name. So I can change it to Freedom AI. So you can see over here, now I have changed it to Freedom AI, and you can see this is so amazing. And this is, this is gonna do the work for you. So you can just ask any question and it's gonna do the work for you. So with this trick, you can use your Snapchat My AI on your Android and also your iOS. All you need to do is to update your Snapchat so that you don't miss this new feature. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new